Alright, now, as I was saying before the time ran out of that video, or the max link, use the move command, so go M to move, and enter. Select this third object you drew, move it down. Now, the way the move works is you're going to pick your base point here in the center of it, so you're going to go M, enter, select your object, enter again, click the object, and move it down over into this position. Then repeat the move command again, select this object, again hit enter, pick the base point in the center, and move it down to this position. Once you have those moved, this one is ready to save. You can go ahead and save this as trim, and then do a snipping of that, and upload your snipping to Student View. Alright, so once you're done with that, then next, what you're going to do is the next part of the assignment, which is you're going to go to a Internet Explorer, or Google, or whatever you want, Chrome. And once you're there, you're going to type in Monarch Butterfly. If you spell Monarch Butterfly correctly, it helps. Then you're going to go to your images, and you're going to find a picture over here of a monarch butterfly. I'm just going to go with the first one and open it up in a new tab. And there we go. There's a beautiful monarch butterfly. Then I'm going to go to CAD. And I've already started this here in CAD. But what I do in CAD is I minimize, or restore down is called there. So you can have both of these open at the same time. And then draw this monarch butterfly. Draw it using, and I'll erase out part of this here. Draw it using this the arc and line command, and start this in here, that endpoint, sure. Oops. And sometimes your polar and some of those things don't work real well for you, so I'm going to turn off some of those. And I'm going to start my arc here. Draw that part of the theme there. Draw another little section maybe down to here. And last one. I'm going to draw this one past. I'm trying to make it so it doesn't snap there. And put it something like that. Now that's maybe a little bit out of proportion, so I can highlight it here with my grips and pull my grips down a little bit and adjust. There we go. Yeah, something like that might be a little bit better. The reason I showed you the trim command for this one is to trim it off, something like so. So there's a nice little start of this butterfly. I want you to go ahead and just keep going on this butterfly, adding in some circles here, possibly. It's like kind of a double row of those circles coming down in this area. It doesn't have to match this thing identically. The main thing with this is I'm looking at your ends being trimmed off, and your lines, your circles, your arcs, all that ending up nicely. Add in the little details out here of the webbing of it, and that'll be great. When you draw this, only draw one half.